Hey guys, back again for day 3 on the Carnival Sunshine. Today we are in Grand Turk. You can see my hair is messed up, and I just wanted to go and stand on the deck while we came into Grand Turk, and it was pretty windy. But today we're just going to go and try to find a beach somewhere to hang out, do some snorkeling or something, and just have a nice relaxing little day. And so, you guys excited?
Very.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, gotta get your swimming trunks.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go have a good day.
It's a baby egg. Bites it off.
Go. Cold?
Yes, it's very cold.
No, it won't do anything because the salt water today got it all messed up, and then I fell asleep, so now my hair is jacked. Anyways, yeah, we had a good day in Grand Turk. We had never been there before.
I love it.
It was really, really cool. Nope, it was warm. I got a good little sunburn, so that made me sleepy tired when we got back, and I skipped dinner.
Yeah.
So you guys went to the dining room.
We did.
How was
fun. It was very nice. It was not very crowded. We sat at the back of the boat. It was real pretty. We got to watch the sunset. And we had a fun little time, so it was good.
So now I've had a little rest, so I'm ready to go and do something. I don't know what yet. And you're ready to wind down.
I am.
So Noah went to the kids club. He's there now, so hope he's having a good time. Hope he's having fun. And I'm gonna go find something to do. Show, piano bar, casino, something. I don't know. I'm just gonna walk around for a little bit and just hang out.
I'm gonna wait for Noah and then go hide out in Serenity.
You're gonna go to Serenity?
After a while, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I want to read.
So we got a little bit of time left, but that's just kind of a recap of our day. And tomorrow we're in San Juan.
Mm-hmm.
So this will probably be the last you see of us today, but maybe some more video of whatever we get into the rest of the day. But this will kind of be a recap for the night, and hope you guys are doing well, and we will see you tomorrow in San Juan.
Yes, very excited.